Hello the world. This is Tatsuya in Japan. Today, I'll talk about active older adults in Japan. Do you know a Japanese woman, Wakamiya Masako? She is the oldest programmer who made an iPhone app in 2017 at 81. She bought a personal computer after she retired from the job and created Excel art, the idea that you use Excel as a designing tool. Later, she found many apps for young generations and developed an application for older adults, hinadan. While it is a different field, many Japanese politicians are aged too. The present Prime Minister, Suga Yoshihide, is 71 years old, and Vice PM, Aso Taro, is 81. The best-known journalist of Japan, Tahara Soichiro, 86 years old, is still full of energy, and the first TV actress, Kuroyanagi Tetsuko, appear on TV shows every week. I'm surprised to know their ages. Japan has many respectful elderlies. Today, let's guess why the country has such active aged ones. This account lets you know the news, food, culture, tradition, and other information about Japan. The videos are sure to help you when visiting Japan or getting at what's happening in it. If you are interested, subscribe to mine. Firstly, Japan has a lot of older generations. It is the most aged country, where over 28% of its population is older than 65. The aging problem is acute, especially in rural areas. For example, in Akita Prefecture, more than a third of the population is over 65. Elderlies are the majority here. They go drinking, enjoying karaoke, and visiting temples with other people. Through these ways of communication, they live healthily. The older group is one of the people who made post-war Japan. Ms. Wakamiya was born before the war and worked when Japan became an economic superpower. While Japan lost in the Pacific War, it became the second largest economic power next to America. They experienced both war and economic growth. Having wisdom that the young doesn't, elderly groups create new things by using their accumulated knowledge. Moreover, Japanese, in particular elderly, want to contribute themselves to others. Their parents and teachers taught them that he who gives to another bestows on himself. Though such a culture is getting extinct, many Japanese still try to make others happy. In a store here, some white-haired men and women are working. They do so not just because they need money, but also because they love doing something helpful even after retirement. Such spirits of service lets them creative. As well as Japan, many countries face with aging issues. I hope they can serve as an incentive to utilize the excellent talent of the aged generations as precious resources. That's all for this video today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.